Good morning, friend. I am Neeraj Kumar Dinkar. Today we are going to discuss about the latest law comes in 2020 Labor Code, Labor Labor Laws, Labor Code 2020. You know that this is a very good news as a safety professional which are working in construction and industry project, because of this is a biggest changes and revision of the many laws existing of 29th law 29th law subsumed into the four labor code, means 29th law instead of four law comes four, and there is lot of confusions and conclusions which are going to improving at the workplace. This is a fantastic idea by governments as a parliament decided to four labor codes. First is they are mentioned wage code already passed by the parliament 2019, and 2023 code will be passed by the parliaments September, I think August. So guys, there is four code is there mentioned: industrial safety welfare first. Second thing there is social security codes, and third is there industrial relationship. So three codes, and wage codes means totals four codes. Replacement instead of 29 existing of law. Suppose that you know that you are following the BOCW Act, Factory Act, Mine Act, Maternity Act, Child Act. Other things will be considered in this process. So guys, we are going to follow the only four codes, four laws, four labor code four. There is everything included in this law. There is also already passed by governments, and we are going to improvements step to step. Lot of things, a lot of changes in this code. So there is maybe very confusion to improvements 29th law at the workplace. Sometimes difficult to face the problem each and every law, to watch and read the every law and improving at the workplace. So guys, this is a things to reduce of confusions, reduce of improving of health safety and workers welfare measures, so that convert into four law. So first we have discussed about wage law. There is already four law existing and industrial safety welfare means 13th law existing and 3E law existing of industrial safety relationship, and social security 9 law or existing into convert the social security. So guys, there is challenges of some challenges to improvement of safety at workplace. So guys, there is some challenges: employment and workers protections. Employment means employer and worker protection. So both are protect, but more and more protect of workers while improving the this law. First, employments. If employments what is benefit of employment, what is benefit of workers in this act. So both are equals benefits, but more and more benefit under the workers and employments. So the occupational health safety working conditions 2020, there is many changes. You know that first some migrant workers came to other states and others state to work purpose. There should be maintained, there should be submitted of migrant workers. So this is a very difficult to submitted license submitted to migrant workers and verify the police verifications. So that all are very difficult to implement, very difficult to workers and employers who are submitting the migrant license and migrant certificate. So guys, this is adjusting into the, if any workers working comes from other states to, suppose that workers came from Bihar to Maharashtra, then there is some criteria, some scenario will be fixed by governments. If workers working in any organizations more and paying the 18,000 per month salary, that not called the migrant workers. Because of below of 15,000, 40,000 and 30,000 paying the workers working under the any organizations, that called migrant workers. If paying them 18,000 above the money and each and every month that not called migrant workers, and no need to submit the migrant certificate to any organization. This is a very easy to workers protections and workers difficulty and also employer. So this is a fantastic idea to and resolve that some difficult to workers and employments. After that, labor law, you'll know that labor license you have to follow labor. If any employers and any organizations continue the work 10 people with electricity, that calls factory, that calls that needs to be labor license, and more than 20 workers without electricity in 12-month proceeding of work, that calls factory, and that calls factory. There should be need of labor license, but there is in this codes, this is extended. If more than 50 workers, then and you should follow the you should need to labor license by the employer, by the factory. If workers working 49, 39s, there is no need to labor license for the any organizations. This is a fantastic change, and also this changes benefit by the benefits comes more and more benefit to employer. After that, total turnovers. If you are any organizations, suppose that 1 crore turnover in every yearly means yearly basis, finance years 1 crore rupees. Suppose that 1 crore rupees financial turnover, then you should 2%. Once 2% need to be turn and need to be debt need to be grow for the grow for safety of industrial safety and social security of workers. You should to increase and finance the 2% of labor security code. So guys, this is a budget, need to be budget 2% of social security of workers. If 1 crore rupees, then 2 crore rupees must be distributed, and finance budget should be considered about the social security of worker. This is also fantastic to improvements and employer and worker safety by the new codes. After the industrial relations code, you know that 2020, there is also some powers given to employer. First was 100 if workers working 100. If you are going to stop, if you are going to close your factory, then you have to submit the some need to be submissions of terminations of staff and terminations of workers. So that may be that should be informed to government body. First was there, and this is a rules. But but in this clauses, if workers 300 more workers, then you should to inform if any deviation, if you are going to some changes of staff, some terminations of staff, then you should inform to and pre-approval by the government body. But there is nothing in nothing if 100 workers instead of there was changes. If more than 300 workers, then you should inform to government body if you are going to stop, if you are going to close the factory, if you are going to terminations of staff. Means 300 workers. So there is main powers of employers increase and benefit of employer, because of if 200 workers any times maybe the notice period may be terminated, there is nothing any information to government. But first was there 100 employee more than working and more working and any factory, if you are going to stop the factory, then you should submit the pre-approvals. We are going to terminations of staff, but there is capacity will be increase of 300, so that benefits also under come of employer. After that, legal strike, you know that first was there, if any commission, any factory and organization, some unions maybe strike before that before informations to organizations, but there is some clauses will be changed. If you are going to strike, if you want to strike at any industry and any organization, you should inform 30 days before. Means 30 days before, inform to organization, inform to factory, we are going to strike if this is our demand. After that, 50% of unions, 50%, and unions should equals of members. If members 60 members, then you can strike for some demands. If unions voters is more and more, then you can strike. So this is also difficult. This is also benefit benefit by the organization and factory. So guys, many things change in this codes. So we can see that rules and regulations and new labor codes, then very easy to employers and workers benefits. So guys, this is a first, you can we are going to day by day posting and day by day discuss about these things. So guys, today basic information to you. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks.